Hello everyone. In this lecture, we are going to learn the C program for sum of array elements using pointers. That is, generally in our previous lectures, we had seen how to do sum of array elements using normal array values and some for loop, right? So in this program, we'll see how the pointers are being used for summing of all those elements. So in this program, I was also using some special function that is malloc, that is known as memory allocation. Like you also have realloc, malloc, calloc. These are few functions which are there to allocate memory randomly, right? So that one also I'm using here, and that one I'm assigning for a pointer variable, and then you are reading the pointer variables, and then I'm trying to do the sum. And this is what the actual logic that I'm following in this program. So see here, I had included extra header file malloc.h, which is available in AOC, and the stdio.h, you already knew this one, right? And starting with my main, I had created three variables, I, n, sum is equals to 0, and also one pointer variable. I'm asking user to enter the array size. So according to this size, you need to write a malloc statement, right? So ptr is equals to integer pointer malloc n size of int. So what it is doing here is you are allocating memory of size n, right? Of size n variables, and its size, what should be its size? It should be size of int. Why I'm specifying here int? Because my pointer is of data type int, right? If suppose you are taking characters, then you will have size of char. If I take n value as 5, generally your int size is 2, so 5 into 2, 10 bits or 10 bytes of memory will be allocated for that particular point. This is what is happening in this statement, right? Next, I'm asking user to enter number of elements into the list, that is into your array, and you by using your pointer variable, you are storing that into by using your for loop, you are storing that into the pointer variable. And then here comes actual logic of calculating the sum of elements by using our pointer. So as you know, we had n number of elements, we are using that for loop, and sum I had initialized already here 0 in the beginning. So sum is equals to, so 0 plus whatever address at ptr plus I, that is ptr plus I value is 0. So the initial position address, whatever the value is there, that one you will be added for the sum. Next, you will increment the I value. So your I become 1. So that PTR plus next one value. So that you will add the second element. In that way, whatever the n value you will give, those all values will be added into the variable sum. And finally, I'm just printing that all total summed value by using the variable sum, and then simply returning the main function, quitting from your main program, right? So just compile this code and let us see the output for this. So yes, enter the array size. I'll just give simple 3. Enter array elements. So I'm giving 1 space 2 space 3. And see, sum is 6. 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 3, 6. This is what the sum of array elements. So in order to simplify the code, I had used the malloc, but without using malloc also, you can try out for the code. Okay, so that's all for this program, that is performing sum of array elements using the pointer variable. Okay, thank you all.